in Home Goods looking at chairs. That one's actually really comfy. How much is that one? I'm just not trying to pay an arm and a leg for no chair. And I don't feel this back part. I ain't feeling that too much, so let's keep looking. Is this one the same? Yep, I see it. So I have to find a good chair. A chair that is not, oh, these are nice. Aren't those nice chairs? But I need a chair that's not, this one is pretty cute. It's $69. I don't know, let me see. Ugh. I don't know. It's not bad. Hold on. This one is not bad, but I don't know if I want to pay 70 bucks for a chair. These ones are really cute. Those are really cute. It's not a chair for a desk though, so I know that's not gonna work. I know Rizzy need a chair for her room too. They got a lot of cute stuff. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can find, oh, here goes some yellow. It's not really the yellow. Oh no, you're fine. This the only yellow pillows y'all have?
Oh, so far. You see all this stuff here? So
okay. All right, let me go looking.
Nice yellow pillows. Any kind of particular tone yellow?
Just something girly. She 9.
Something girly, but
yeah.
shade of yellow?
Like a canary.
I got you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
What's your name?
Camille.
Camille?
Yeah.
Okay, Camille. I'll call you.
Okay, thank you. She always usually finds stuff for me. This rug, these little cute rugs. It's not bad. This one is cute. You see that? But this might be too much pink, you think? But I think it got all the colors. I don't know how big this thing is, though. Oh, it's a 5 by 6, I think. That's probably too big, huh? I don't know. We got this. That still got a little bit of the colors, but this got like the yellow gray. This got the colors in it. I don't know how that's gonna look. Too old-fashioned, you think? I really would like something abstract looking. Or if we could find a nice gray color or something. What's over here? Oh, this is cute. How much is this? She would like something fuzzy. That's cute. Oh, you see that one too, babe? Different. That got more gray in it. That's cute too. How much is that one, babe? That's not bad. I think she'll like this one. Don't you? It'll pull the gray into the room. Or this one. This one is $49 too. Yep. And then this one is $49. This one just looked more like the nappy color. The nappy kind. This is soft. What size is this one? 47 by 63. That's not bad. That just looked nappy, right? See any other yellow?
Time and night to ladies clearance, please.
Let's see. Nope. Well, all we found from here is this rug, and I love it. It's so freaking soft, and it's 49 bucks. So that's what we found so far. Then we have to go get the paint and stuff, and probably some fabric for her pillows, and that'll be basically it for now. So why my hubby found these rugs here, and I got upset because they didn't have no gray, okay? And we just spent $55 at that one at Home Goods, and these are so soft and pretty. So why he found this one? Sitting up on top of a shelf, the only one. Yes, God. So that's $35 we saved. Yes. We're trying to figure out these colors. Oh, they look pretty on camera. think I want to go with the top one, babe. The top one and this one right here, the festival. Yeah, we're gonna get 2 quarts of that. So we're gonna go with this here and that up there. That's what we're gonna go with. Yep, I love those 2 colors. I found the perfect fabric. The lady went to go put a thingy on it, but I am torn because I'm really liking this black and white and I want to implement this in there somewhere. So I'm trying to figure out, should I do polka dots or the chevron? She got chevron on the bed, and I was thinking that I can put this to wrap around the curtains to tie them back. But then I was thinking to put this on some of the pillows. So I have no clue what I want to do. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm gonna still get some of this because I like it. Let me see what my husband says. So this is the yellow that I'm gonna do her some panels with and tie backs with this. And I'm gonna get this to do some extra stuff in her room and some stuff to do the pillows and stuff with. So, all right, hold on, guys. You can't tell it, but he painted the wall from here over. Now he's about to get over here and over there and start painting. So, yep. You ever have something on your brain and you can't remember, or something just don't feel right until after the fact? So long story short, I end up getting color place paint. And I never ever get color place. I got that years ago when I didn't know the difference and know better. But this stuff is so thin and disgusting. I usually get gliding, and I'm so mad at myself for getting this. But we're gonna have to utilize it and then go get some gliding to go over it because, yeah. Alright guys, so we are about to, me and my daughter are about to paint this room for her little sister. And just get everything situated so we can get this wall painted. Let's go. I'm just so thankful that I'm able to do these things for my girls and also spend the time with them. I like to teach my girls as much as I can because I'm only on this earth for such a time. You get what I'm saying? And as a parent, we should always remember that we're not here forever. So in return, we need to give as much as we can to our children, to leave them with some things that you teach them. They say it's better to teach someone how to fish versus feeding them the fish. So with that being said, I try to do that as much as I can with my girls. I have daughters, 3 daughters, and I know that implementing these special moments and times with them is something that will definitely be etched in their memory over anything material that I can ever give them. So as a parent, remember that. Try to do what you can to spend time and teach your children as much as you can and spend quality time like this, because these are the things that they will remember. I know growing up, I can remember all the fun times with my granddad or my grandmother or my mom and people that loved me growing up. I remember the little things that didn't cost much more than I remember the things that I received as a child. So these things can be implemented in their life and then they can pass it down to generations to come. I try to do the best I can to stay frugal and save money and DIY as much as I can. I am an interior stylist, so I try to teach my girls as much as I can about keeping their home up and keeping their home nice and letting it mimic what you truly are and what you embody as far as your style. So I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you later. So I just finished the top, so that's done. We're not gonna be able to surprise her like we want, but we will at least have the curtains up And I'm gonna make her bed on the floor because we're waiting for her new bed to come. But you guys will see all that when it comes. She'll be here when the bed comes. So I'm gonna try to put all this together to show you guys the transformation of her room. And her father is down here caulking around the floor. He put the trim in, so now he's caulking. Let me see. Caulking down here and getting her trim set. So yep. Alright guys, we will show you guys as the room transforms, which it will. Alright, bye. Well, good morning. This is what the actual room looks like. My hubby taped it off last night because he was going to paint it when he got up, but yeah, the tape is falling, so we're gonna have to do that all over. It's all over the place. But this is the wall. Isn't it so beautiful? Guys, I am so excited. We're going to go pick up my baby today, so let me turn the camera around. We're going to go pick her up today, so I'm super excited. I miss my baby so much. Yeah, that's the access panel to the shower. We gotta cover that bad boy up. But yeah, we go pick her up today, and she is excited. She's ready to come home. So we're getting ready now to go pick up the rent-a-car and just head to Maryland, get on the road, and go pick her up. So yeah, the room process will probably be, well, she's gonna be here, so she's gonna have input in that. And guys, you will just see how we transform the room. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Alright guys, bye. We are here. There's her godmommy. Go ahead. You got all that stuff in here. Go ahead.
Y'all ain't get nothing. Y'all know I can't do no hair.
I did that.
So of course, don't judge my baby. When she came back, her hair was like literally unpinned. They were getting in the water almost every day. She had a ball. That's all that matters. So that's why her hair looks the way it does. Mind you, she's just now getting home from her vacation.
Yeah. And cut your light on. Close your eyes. Feel for your light. Don't open. Feel for your light. Cut it on. Open.
Yeah, digits.
Uh-huh. But I realized you wanted a certain kind of bed, so it's gonna take longer to come. But we getting ready to transform your room. We tried to do it while you was gone, but yeah. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that tape don't stay up. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Daddy put your trim up. You're not noticing, look. It look cleaner. See?
Oh, we need the vent.
All the way. Yep, I gotta get a vent. He did it all the way around here. The whole room is done. See, it look more new and cleaner. Over there.
Alright guys, so this is part 1 with the accent wall for my little girl's transformation of her room. Stay tuned for the other parts. Thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what guys, this is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.